Hi there, and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to work in my art journal. I wanted to create something along the lines of a fall theme and something festive. So I am creating something that I'm giving away in a link. If you want to look in the video description, there will be a link to the final product just for you for free. Just wanted to make something for my viewers that I could give away, so you'll see what it looks like at the end. So today I am working in my art journal. It is 140 pounds. The paper is nice and thick, can handle a lot of media. So I'm starting with just acrylic paint. And what I'm going to do is just play some music so you can watch along and just enjoy the process. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments about the colors or any other supplies that I use. But I just wanted to try something different and show you what I do without talking over it. So enjoy the process. and use it as a little reminder for something that you want to keep in the forefront of your mind. You can just write in those lines right there. I left a little space so you can write your favorite quote, or you could just write a saying that you like, or you could leave it blank and just frame it and look at it. But it is yours to enjoy, and you can just download it in the link in the description. So, thanks so much for watching today and following along. Let me know what you think about just listening to music while you're watching. I could do more of these as well. I hope this has inspired you to just go back to whatever fulfills you in your art practice and use the supplies that inspire you and are easy to get out, because those are the ones that are the best to use, are the ones that you're going to actually make use of. So I'm just adding in the last details of this piece. It's one of my favorite things to do at the end, is just to add some marks and just a way to kind of pull the whole thing together. So thanks again for following along. Really appreciate you being